This is my life right now. Today is a sad day, and in other ways a good day, because the Merc is going. So first thing we've got to do today is get the whole thing cleaned, and inside and out, get it ready for the chap who's picking it up today, and then we're going to go from there. So I've got to sort of arrange the driveway. It's looking very German at the minute. BMWs, Audis and Mercedes. So let's arrange the driveway first, and then we'll start cleaning. Let's go. So obviously the old plates are back on, and the seat has been repaired, fresh new leather on the seat. If you didn't see the video where the seat was broken, click in the top right hand corner, you'll see the seat when it was broken. Ooh, 20p. So yeah, all we've got to do is clean the whole thing today and get it ready for the guys to pick it up.
Your reflection in my wine glass, that's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up, it's clear, see. I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose.
So the Merc is finally cleaned and polished and ready to go. I even gave it a once over under the bonnet as well. Nice and clean. Even the interior looking nice, clean and fresh. Now, I will get to the reason why I'm selling it if you didn't watch the video, the last video on the Merc, which is in the top right hand corner now. But for now, I've got to go onto the TT because it's got a water leak coming into the boot and the roof, and I've got to sort that out now, so I'm going to get that on the drive. So let's do a drive rearrange. So, the TT is getting slightly wet from... So basically the water's running down here into the spoiler. Obviously this spoiler is an aftermarket one. If you've not seen the video, click in the top right corner. But yeah, so basically the water's coming down. It should run down the sides and down into here and then out down through the boot down there. But what it is doing is running in here, and then I've took the back panel off. It's running in here and then just literally coming out and then into the boot, and it's just soaking everything. Now, I did seal it up, and I thought I'd sealed it pretty well. Like, I've absolutely plastered it in sealant, but it's still getting wet, so I've got to have another go today. And then also, the just under here, I'll show you later, but the aerial, I took the aerial off because we was going to wrap the roof. In the end, we didn't end up wrapping it. But when I put it on, because I didn't seal it, I think the water's getting in there as well. So first job is seal this. Oh, it's white. Shit.
No! God, please, no!
Bloody white. I thought I bought clear. Fuck. Well, I thought I bought clear, I bought white. First rookie error of the day. But that looks like it might work. So the guy is coming to collect the car in literally not long to collect the Merc. So I'm not going to rush and go and get the silicone yet. I'm going to ring my insurance up, change my insurance off the Merc to the TT, and we'll see how much it costs. So I'm going to give him a ring now.
A few moments later.
So I've called my insurance company to change over my Merc to the TT. It's cost nothing, which I think is probably a bit of a lie. It probably is a bit of a decrease, but I've only got 10 days left on my policy. And to insure it for next year, bearing in mind I'm 25, I've got 6 points, it's going to cost me £800, which I don't think is too bad at all, really. The Merc is going. Oh, it's quite sad. Oh, he stopped.
Waiting for a mate.
No, I feel like he's stealing it. It's a Merc gang. They came in pairs. If you're watching this, the chap who bought the car, good luck with it. It is a really good car, but it had to go.
Good luck with it 'cause it's broke.
It's not broken at all. She's just chatting shit. It is a really good car, honestly. But yeah.
Oh, you're speechless.
Yeah, it's gone. This video has took a turn in a different direction. We're actually going to, what's it called?
Cars and
Caffeine, because we're going to meet Kane because he's bought a new Lamborghini Performante. So let's go and check that out. Let's get in the TT now with the bent axle and all that shit and try and drive it to Stratford. Let's go. So we're about 7 minutes from this car meet and it started absolutely pissing it down. And oh look, all the cars are literally leaving. I've just got here. And number one, I sacrificed sealing the car roof up and the spoiler to come here. And number two, it's raining, so now it's gonna get wet inside the car and we're gonna get wet if we're outside the car. So this is not a good situation to be in right now. But yeah, so we're nearly there. I'll check back with you when we get there. So we made it here and we got a flat. We got a flat on the way. I thought it felt a bit sketchy, but we made it here and we're parked up.
He's doing that. Just what is he?
So this place is actually a newly opened pub called Caffeine and Cars, and it's basically just full of cars. The car park is just full of like car enthusiasts just to come and park the cars and go in the pub, have some food and everything. So it's literally a constant car meet all the time, which I think is a sick idea. So we're just checking out the cars now. Obviously you saw Kane's new Performante. His Mustangs, C63s, RS4s down there. There's literally cars all over the place, so we're going to have a quick walk round. This is my life right now. Sold a Merc, driving a TT to a car show with a flat tyre. It's just going well. Do not discriminate. Not long until I'll be turning up here in a Lambo or something like that. But at the minute, we'll remember this day as driving in a categorised TT with a flat tyre. So guys, we've just stopped off at Argos. We're going to pick ourselves up a printer, completely random, completely off topic, but it looks like we're losing daylight. I was hoping to get back and sort of seal that spoiler up and seal the hole in the roof from the aerial. The guys actually found time just before it got dark to do the silicone in. So what I've done, I've just ran a line of silicone all the way down the gap. Done quite a nice job actually, and hopefully that seals the water from going down there, hopefully. Right, back to me in the car. Today, quite a productive day. Car's gone, went to a little car meet, TT's come out on its first drive. There is some slight knocking and the tracking's all over the place, but we're getting it in the ramp tomorrow and hopefully we'll sort that all out. That's going to be the end of this week's video. Thanks guys, peace out.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. It's clear, see. I'm 22, but I don't act like it clear.